Hello and welcome. So in the last video we discussed about the WordPress themes. So in this video we will need to discuss about the customize section or the tool of the WordPress. Let's move over to the customize option. So on the left, the first thing you will see, you are customizing Webylancers. So you will see your website name on the left side and then a hint mark, question mark about that. After that you will see a theme, active theme, which one is the active theme on your website. You can also change the theme from here. Then you need to move over to the general settings, and now the first thing that you will see is the site identity. You need to just click on that, and now you can change or edit your website title. Like I have added Webylancers, and you can also add a tagline a digital way. After that you can add a site icon, like it's the fav icon that you need to display like this. W is shown to you of the WordPress. Once you open any website, and now you will see that this icon is present here. So this is the icon that we can add from here. After that, just move back, and we can also adjust the fixed layout. You can make it enable boxed layout of the website. Now you can see the changes. You can also website content width. You can adjust this width as well, and you can also adjust the gutter width for that. Like you can make it 2, 1 as per your choice. You can also use the sidebar width. After that you can also set the section height and the row height and the theme as a color. After that move back, and now you can also adjust the typography like body text size, body line height, header text size, header letter spacing and header line height. After that you can also adjust the fonts of the headings from here. You can also set the header font from here. You can choose any of the font, and then you can also adjust the body font, body color and the body text from here easily. After that you can also change the body text color or the header text color as well. So I'm using the DV theme, so I don't need to play with these settings because I can change everything from here. Just move back, and now you will go to the background color. You can change it. You can also add an image, and if you will enable the boxed layout, then you will see this background image and the background color as well. Just move back. After that go to the header and navigation. Just click on that. You can change the header format, like you can make it central. You can make it centered inline logo. You can also make it slide in, and you can also make it full screen. So I will keep this default. You can also make this hide navigation until scroll. Just click on that, and once you will scroll, this will be visible, right? I will uncheck this and move back. After that we can also set the primary menu bar from here. You can make it full width. You can hide the logo as well from here. You can set the menu height like you can see from here. After that you can also add the logo maximum height as well. You can also set the text size from here. You can make letter spacing, font changed and font style from here. After that you can also make the text color any other color from here. You can see the difference from here. After that you can also make the active link color to something else. Now you will see that this color will be changed, as this one is the menu that is active right now. You can also make this color changed. After that you can adjust the background color of this bar as well. You can just click and see the difference from here. So you can also change the drop down menu background color to something else if you have any drop down menu. After that you can change the line that is appearing for the drop down and the drop down menu text color from here. After that you can also select it to be fade, expand, slide or flip the drop down menu. I'll scroll up and then go back. Now we can move to the secondary menu. We can also make it full width. You can see the difference. You can also adjust the text size, letter spacing, the font and the font style and the background color. Right now you will see the different color. We can make it also different, and we can also set the drop down menu, background color and the text color and the simple text color as well. You can also set the animation to something else you want. I'll scroll up and move back. After that So in the fixed navigation settings, you can hide the logo image as well. If you scroll down, you will see a fixed menu from here. You can hide this logo. You can also change the menu height, text size, and the primary menu background color to something else, and secondary menu background color to something else. You can also change that as well. After that, you can change the primary menu link color, secondary menu link color, and the active primary menu color as well. After that, scroll up and move back. After that, you can adjust and show the social media icons, and check this box if you want to show, otherwise just keep it unchecked. I will check it. And after that, you can also add the search icon from here. After that, if you want to display any of your number, you can adjust it from here. Otherwise, if you want to add any other email, something else email from here, you can also do that easily. I will go back from here, go back again, and now you will see the buttons. If you have any buttons, you can change the style. Otherwise, you can play different settings. You can also select button hover style and make it as per your choice. After that, you will see a blog. If you have any blog or blog section, you can select the different meta text sizes, meta line height, meta letter spacing, and many more things from here. Just play with the settings once you have any blog post created. Just move back, and now you will see the mobile styles for that. Like, you can adjust the section height, row height, body text, and header text from here. You can also check it on the mobile devices, and on the mobile menu you can change and hide the logo image from here. You can change the text color. You can also change the background color as well. Just move back, and you can go to the color scheme, and you can select the color scheme from here. Anybody, you can see the difference from here. I will keep it default and scroll back. So after that, you will see the menus. Just go to the menus, just go to the main menu, and you will see these 3 navigation items from there. You can also add new items or reorder from there. You can also set the menu locations, like I have adjusted it to the primary menu. I will also make it secondary menu, and now you will see that I also have a menu present on my secondary bar. I will also add it on the footer menu if I want. After that, you will see a menu icon. You can create a new menu item from here. You can also create and assign the different locations like primary menu bar, secondary menu bar, and the footer. You can also add automatically new pages as well. After that, you can also check all the locations that the menus has. Like, this main menu has this primary menu position, and the secondary menu position has this main menu. There is no menu in the footer. You can also use any of this menu and then create a new menu if you want to add a new thing. After that, move back, and you will see some widgets from here. After that, you will see the home page settings. You can display your posts here as well if you will select this. Otherwise, a static page like this home page is present here and is selected as the home page. You can make any other page a static home page. You can also select the post page if you have any one. After that, go back, and now you'll see the additional CSS option. You can add anything related to the CSS here. You can target any of the button, text, background color. You can also target this heading, divider, or images, or anything else that you want to change through the CSS. After that, go back, and at the end you will see Yoast SEO breadcrumbs if you enable the Yoast SEO plugin on your website. If you don't install any plugin, then there will be no option for this Yoast SEO breadcrumbs. You can also hide these controls if you want to check your website. You can also check your website on the PC, on the tablet, or on the mobile phone. So this was all about the customize tool or customize section of the WordPress. So if you found anything good in the video, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much.